Hello, let's start today's workout. Toes front of your mat, top of your mat, hands under your thighs. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, up. Exhale, round your back. Core engage. Inhale, up. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, up. Last two, exhale. Inhale, up. Exhale, round your back. Now slowly go back fully. Stretch your arms. Back of your head. Now inhale, come up slowly. Engage your core muscle. Toes pointed out. Exhale, slowly go back. 5 times. Inhale, up. Exhale, go back. Inhale, up. Exhale, go back. Last one. Inhale, up. Exhale, go. Now stay there. Hands back of your head. Bend your knees. Tabletop position. Spine on floor. Breathe, inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3 bisected crunches. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly head down. Inhale, head up. Toes down. Now toes up, head down. Toes down, head up. Head back, toes up. Continue. Toes down, head up. Head back, legs up. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now straighten your legs. Breathe. Breathe. 90 degrees. Toes pointed up. And here legs up and down. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Both legs up. Release your hands. Head down. Stretch your arms up. Keep breathing. Toes pointed up. Breathe. Head up. Now go up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, legs down. Now hands beside your body. Inhale slowly, then up. Breathe. Up, join your hands. Breathe. Hands up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. Hard breathe. Breathe. Legs down. Open your arms on the floor. Turn side to side. 1, 2, stretch fully. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Center. Lift your arms up, hips up, breathe. And open your arms on the floor, hips down on the floor. Continue. 1, 2, core engage. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold for 10 counts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands down, hips down. Connect to your breath. Now heel touch. Hands beside your body. Inhale, exhale. Touch your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Now opposite knee touch. Right hand, left knee, left hand, right knee. Lift your head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Head back. Now cross your hands. Hold your opposite elbows. Inhale up. Exhale back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now side to side and center. Turn right. 1, 2, center. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Slowly go back. Once again, we do the same exercise. Inhale up. Twist right. Center. Left. Center. Go back. Up. Right. Center. Left. Center. Go back. Left. Up. Turn right. Center. Left. Center. Go back. And relax. Connect to your breath. Now elbows down on the floor, on your mat. Lift your legs up, tabletop position. Breathe. Now straighten your one leg up, other leg 10 degrees. Continue. 2, 3, knees straight, toes out. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now bend your knees, toes pointed out, straighten your knees, bring it back, knees towards your chest. Continue. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now side to side. 1. Center, left. Center, right. Center, left. Center, few more counts. Center, right. Left. Center, right. Center, last one. Breathe. Center, and slowly go back. Relax. Connect to your breath. Turn one side and sit up. I hope you enjoyed this session with me. You can include this few minutes of session in any other workout what you do, maybe yoga, Pilates, aerobics, as core strengthening exercises. Thank you. Bye.